Annyeong, it's been a while. It's been a while talaga. It's been a while akong nakaupo dito, no? Kasi, I've been all over the place for the past 2 weeks. Simula nung mag-ticketing. Dami kong inantenan, pinuntahan. And, at last, nag-decide na din akong i-move back yung, ko, workstation ko ulit dito sa sulok ng kwarto. I really love my own space talaga. Especially when working. Feeling ko, mas maayos yung buhay ko. Charot. We've been drinking less coffee and more on matcha. Take a look at my matcha. Tada! Ayan. Matcha girly na tayo. Matcha girly na tayo. Pero minsan may pa dirty matcha pa rin pag kapag alam ko yung sobrang antok ko. Ganun. I don't know. Parang, yung ko lang ito na-realize, parang yung energy ko is mas okay. Hindi rin ako masyadong aligaga. I don't know. Napansin ko lang naman. Kasi nga, bihira na ako mag-coffee ngayon. Even yung mga iced, like, super bihira na. Like, parang nire-reject na siya ng, pero acceptable pa din naman when I try to drink iced coffee. But, I don't know, there's just, siguro mas na-build up na yung love ko for matcha. And, ngayon ko lang nga nare-realize na, I'm feeling more stable. Alam mo yung nafe-feel ko sa katawan ko, I don't know. I don't know how everyone feels, but meron akong time na I feel kalat yung energy ko. Hindi ko lang kung magigets nyo, but I feel like para akong nalulusaw or something. But, when I do something really good for me, like, I'm listening to sublimals, like, yung cleansing energies, after that, 30 minutes, 20 minutes, ganun, I feel intact. Like, para akong na-solid. Napapansin ko lang yun lately. And, ganun din, when I rest, like, I'm tired. Like, I'm mentally tired, ganun. Like, it's exhausting. But, when I took a better nap, paggising ko, I feel like, para akong kinompress. Like, stand up, ganun. Hindi naman actually stand up, but, like, na-feel ko lang yung mas strong and stable yung energy ko. Wala lang, amazing lang nun. Well, I feel like everything's changing. And at the same time, ewan ko, ayoko mag-expect. But at the same time, I'm expecting. And expecting in a way na, things are getting better, are much, much more abundant. And, yun, parang life is just waiting for me to do my thing. And, I'm just glad. I'm just glad na I can feel this stableness and all. So, yun. Quick update lang. While nakalist kasi yung mga things na gagawin ko, like yung shorts ng podcast ng Viva Max, tapos mag-create ako ng mini-series. I have a mini-series called Rizalenia in Transit. Ayan. Liz Rizalenia in Transit. Yun nga, kasi lagi ko, diba, lagi ako umaalis. So, yun. Gusto kong i-edit yung mga content ko, ganun. In that case, like, may mga napupuntahan ako mga lugar na hindi ko usually napupuntahan. And I'm thankful for Grab, for Angkas, for Green GSM, for making my trip a little better as a commuter. Yan. Lalo na yung mga lugar na ang hirap puntahan. Like, hindi mo alam kung may paanong biyahe, ganyan-ganyan. So, saya. Anyways, yun. BTO lesson. Kasi meron akong binili na course na book to overflow. Though, it's designed for people na who are creating website. Like, they want to charge higher. But yung sa akin is what made me bought that course is yung positioning na I think ma-apply ko naman siya. Kasi, alam ko sa sarili kong kaya ko naman na I can do things, but yung pag-position ko ng sarili ko, yun yung mahirap. Yun, siguro yun. Like, parang everything is marketable. Kailangan lang talaga siyang i-position in a better way. Like that. So, yun. After that, syempre, gusto ko na rin magbalik sa walk since ito nga, napifeel ko na yung good energy. And, yun. Mag-edit na ng content ko kasi baka bumigay na yung ano ko, pero wag naman sana. Yung external ko sa dami, naipon na sila. Like this one, kailangan mo na tong ma-edit agad, ganun. And create yung offer for tutoring. Kasi, gusto ko na magturo, but at the same time, hindi ko pa mabitawan yung yung work ko ng 9 to 5. Siyempre, hindi naman pwedeng jump lang ako from here to that, ganyan. And, kaya, gusto ko siyang gawing like, kahit pa paano, andun ako sa field na I'm teaching. So, yun. Mag-offer muna ako ng tutoring. Yun lang muna. Akong tunaw na yung matcha ko. I'll drink my matcha, I'll do my thing by 2 p.m. and so it's already 1:48. Nag-review lang ako ng messages ko and then let's get back to work. Let's get to work. Ayan lang. Thank you so much. How many minutes? Diba, 8 minutes na ako dumadaldal? Nag-isa lang ako dumadaldal. Galing mo talaga, girl. Lang. Bye!